I know what you're thinking, this coffee is so light, I might as well be drinking milk. You're right. However, it is currently 7 p.m. and I definitely wasn't about to drink 2 espresso shots, so one it is. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa. For everyone that's new here, you know what to do. I say it all the time. Hit the subscribe button. You're already watching this video. Clearly, it piqued your interest in some way. So what are you doing? Just hit the subscribe button. And for all of you guys who came back to my channel, thanks so much for continuing to watch. I know there was not a video up last week. My apologies. Last week was very busy for me, so that way I was not able to film a video, edit it, and get it up. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all of the things that I am currently loving. It's a random assortment of things. It ranges from food to like a book, beauty items, skincare, not a lot of like beauty skincare stuff, just like a bunch of random things. So if you're interested to see the things I'm currently loving, maybe you can get some ideas for some products that you'd like to try, keep on watching. For the first item that I have, it is this Detox spray. It is from Bath & Body Works. It is an all-over mist, so you can use it as a body spray, you can spray it in your hair. When it comes to me describing scents, like I'm pretty good if it's like, say like floral, say something has like a musk to it, but this one, it just smells, is the ocean weird? It doesn't smell like the ocean, but I don't know, it's a fresh floral scent, if it can be described that way. I'm actually like, if you can see, it's like halfway. I use it pretty much every day. The only issue that I have is once you spray it, it doesn't necessarily stay on your skin, but it'll stay on your clothing. I personally would prefer it to stay on my skin, so I don't know, I feel like it lasts longer that way, but either way, I really enjoy this scent. I think I'm just gonna get all of like the body things out of the way. So the next item that I have is my Clinique Take the Day Off. This is a cleansing balm. I'm sure most of you guys have heard about this already. It's basically just what it says. It's a balm. You take some of it and then you kind of rub it together just to warm it up a little bit. You put it all over your face and it kind of just melts off all of the makeup that you're wearing. So you wipe it off or you can rinse it off. I typically rinse it off because I wash my face right after, and it just gets rid of all of the makeup that's on your face, including waterproof eyeliner, which is a must for me. I typically only wear waterproof mascara, so this is great to take that off. For the last like beauty body product, well, this one's more beauty. It's a lip gloss. This is by Morphe and it is in the color Frosé. I love this because I don't wear color on my lips ever, but I do like lip gloss and I tend to gravitate more to lip glosses that have shimmer, a little bit of glitter, not too much, just something subtle. And I like this because it has that really, really light like pink color, but it is still like a clear gloss, but the glitter is iridescent and it's not like say pink glitter or something like that. So that's why I really enjoy this one. Subtle, something I can wear every day no matter where I'm going. Morphe lip gloss in Frosé. My next favorite is a book. It is called The Children. It's actually been years since I read a full book. I'm not done with this. I'm pretty much more than halfway finished and I surprisingly really enjoy it. This book I actually picked up at Barnes & Noble on a whim just to have something to read on a flight that I was on a couple weeks ago, and it was only like $5, but surprisingly kept my interest. I'm really bad at describing books. Like, I don't care about spoilers and I can tell you literally everything that's happened, but just in case someone actually wanted to read it, just go look up like a synopsis or something like that, or a plot or summary or whatever yourself, because I don't want to give away too much. But just trust me on this. This book is actually really good. The next thing that I'm absolutely loving are my Key sunglasses. I'm 99.9% sure that's how you say the brand, Key. It is these aviators, and never did I think a pair of aviators would look good on me. I mean, you could think it looks ugly. I actually found a pair that I don't hate on my face because normally I tend to go for more of a Wayfarer look, but these glasses, they are the High Key Mini. They are the collaboration with Desi Perkins with Key Australia. And yeah, I actually wear them every day. These are like my new go-to glasses. And like I said, they don't look horrible. At least I don't think they look horrible. And I think that because it has a fade on it at the bottom, it like goes from black to clear. I think that's what makes it not as aviator looking. Even though there is that black metal frame, it fades out, so you don't get the whole like, bam, it's an aviator. So I said in a previous video, I think it was my last one, that I'm trying to drink a lot more water, stay away from like all the sugary drinks, the sodas and whatnot. I found myself drinking a lot of Crystal Light. No clue whether this is actually the best thing for you. I mean, they're very light in calorie. They don't have any sugar, no fat, no sodium, no nothing like that. It comes in a little packet like this, and then you just take some water, you put this in there, and then you mix it up. I tend to put it in a water bottle and I just shake it so it's easier to drink. And yeah, this one is the peach iced tea flavor. It's actually really good. Like I said, I don't know if it's the best thing for you. Don't really care that much, but I've been really enjoying drinking the Crystal Light. I only have one left in this pack though. I know for sure in my carry-on video, which was the last one that I posted, I mentioned Larabars and I said how I really like them. And that was the first flavor that I tried. I don't remember which one it was. I think it was like peanut butter chocolate or something. I went to Target and I got another pack, and this is the almond butter chocolate chip. So each box comes with 5 bars, and this one, the last one I had, only had 3 ingredients. I don't remember what they were, but this one has 6 ingredients, which are almonds, dates, chocolate chips, apples. You don't taste any apples. I assume that's just something to like hold it together along with the dates. I don't know. And cocoa powder and then sea salt. So those are all the 6 ingredients that come in here. Honestly, these are pretty small, but surprisingly, they do keep you full for a bit. So I like these. I have one more item in the food/drink category, and it is these bagels. Random, yes. This is Dave's Killer Bread. And these are just the bagels. It is the cinnamon raisin remix flavor. I tried the everything bagel that they have in this brand, and I kid you not, these are so much better than like regular bagels. It has like more protein. It definitely just tastes better. There's no like high fructose corn syrup that they even have on the bag for this one. It just has a lot more fiber and just different things that regular bagels like Thomas brand, they're just like cheap bagels and they don't really have as much like health benefits. Is that even like the proper term I should be using? Whatever. This is a much better brand of bagel than like the cheaper ones that you find in the store. And on top of that, it tastes a whole lot better. Only downside, it is more expensive, and normal packages come with 6 bagels. These, as you can see, only has 5. Other than that, they are very good. So if you're looking for a morning breakfast, something quick, I just do a bagel and like low-fat cream cheese. Definitely try this Dave's Killer Bread. I've only seen the cinnamon raisin and the everything. I don't know if they make any other flavors because I get them from Target, and it seems like my Target only has those 2 for now. So if there's any other flavors out there, let me know. Too lazy to Google it. Now I have 2 more, and they both happen to be like fashion items. And the first are a pair of sandals. These sandals are definitely a favorite for me. I wanted just a simple brown pair of sandals. These are actually from Target. As you can see, I'm trying to refrain from touching the bottom because that's gross. I wore them one time today and they are very comfortable, so definitely can walk around with these for an extended period of time. They're simple, only 1 strap at the top here, and they have a buckle at the bottom. And yeah, I actually like them a lot. I got them from Target. I think I said that. They were only $20, but because I have a red card, they came to $18.99. $1, not a big difference, but still some savings there. And I like them so much, I ordered them in black, and those will be here in 2 days, thanks to 2-day free shipping from being a red card member. Yeah, so something simple, everyday. These are definitely a new favorite. For my last favorite item, it is a jean jacket, and it is not just any kind of jean jacket. Oh no, no, no. This one has some of my favorite detailing of any clothing item that I own. On the back, it says no hard feelings. This jacket I actually bought off of a girl on Instagram. She is a artist, singer. Her name is Taylor Edwards. I've actually been following her for years now, which is weird. She has a YouTube channel. She doesn't really post much on there anymore because she's definitely doing bigger things. She sings country mainly. Her stuff is on Apple Music, so you can just search Taylor Edwards and then you'll definitely find her music there. But yeah, one of her songs called Hard Feelings, she made these jackets, and I'm one of the lucky few that actually got one. I love the distress detailing here on the collar, if you can see it. And there's a little on this side as well. And the bottom of the jacket is frayed. It gives it more of like a casual look. So yeah, definitely a favorite. I wear this jacket pretty much every day. So that was all the things that I'm loving currently right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about anything, leave a comment down below. Of course, I'm gonna get back to you. I don't get a lot of comments, but the ones I get, I respond to all of them. Don't forget, guys, please subscribe to my channel. I think we're like 33 people away from 200 subscribers. Of course, like I mentioned, when I hit 100 subscribers, that is very small in the grand scheme of YouTube, but that's still a lot of people to me, and I appreciate everybody that takes the time to hit the subscribe button and of course to watch my videos. So also, for those of you who are watching, any video ideas, leave them in the comments as well, because sometimes I feel like I don't know what to make, so I'll just be searching on YouTube and I'll be like, oh, okay, I'll make that. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.